Welcome guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to earn at least $5 USDT every 5 minutes, every 15 minutes. This is going to be real. Like, I've really checked this website and it is working very well for me, and you can actually withdraw from it. So if you take a look at this bazardecrypto.com, that's the name of the website. It is showing very well. Let me show you guys very well so you see it. Bazade, that is BAZADECRY. So we are going to, if you let me show you guys the main like the main website before I will log into my dashboard. So this is how the website looks like. Okay, I've already there. They automatically logged me in. So but then the registration is actually kind of easy to do. You can actually register. Let me log out first and show you guys something. So this is how the interface of the distinct site is. They said get free crypto. They gave a sign in button and they gave a sign up button and all that. This website is crazy and it is paying. I'm fucking serious about this. So right now, what you have to do is just click on your sign in button if you've created an account with them, or you just click on your sign up button. So I'm going to click on my sign in button so that we can be able to log in, and then I'll log in with my details. I already have my details saved on my phone. So, and they said using VPN or proxy will lead you to permanent ban. So you guys should please take note. Don't use proxy or use VPN. For those of you who like using VPNs to access some kind of website, this is not this kind of website. This is legit and it comes with your original IP address. So you scroll down and click on this H captcha to actually solve the puzzle before you can log in. They said I should identify the seat. So I click on verify, then click on sign in. Let's wait for it. So this is actually the website. This is how it looks like. It has a miss announcement board, which is this notice board, the latest notice. And then if you scroll down, you see this is my own dashboard. You see I've already clicked on this place. They wrote you already claimed your daily bonus. You can always come to this website every day to claim your bonus by clicking on this button here, this button right here, this purple button. Then if you scroll down, you see claim faucet. You can claim your faucet every 15 minutes, and this is actually the part that I want to show you guys. It is it is crazily happening. If you scroll down, you see that I've been able to earn 0.006 USDT today just by waiting for 15 minutes. By waiting for 15 good minutes. So guys, this website is really working. So we are going to click on this every 15 minutes. Once you click on it, it's going to open another page for you. Then once it opens another page, they are going to tell you to choose the crypto you want to claim. Like, you can be able to claim Bitcoin, you can be able to claim Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Binance Coin, it's Ether. You can also claim Dogecoin, Raven Coin, and Shiba Inu. So we are going to, the one I've been using is this BTC, and that's the part I made the video for. You're going to click on this BTC. Once you click on it, you wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Then you scroll down. You see they are telling me that it is ready. So once I scroll down again and solve this puzzle, I will automatically have 0.000 coin. So like this, if you tap on it, let's tap on this. Let's tap on this to solve this puzzle. They also brought out the seat again. You click on verify. Then see right here, this place they wrote collect your reward. You click on collect your reward. Collect your reward. And then boom, you have successfully claimed 0.00002 BTC. And you know one surprising and amazing thing about this website? You can still come back in the next 800 98 seconds to come and claim it. That is every 15 minutes. Then check it. If you can be able to do this every 15 minutes, you can be able to raise up to a 0.1 BTC in 1 week, if I'm not mistaken. So if you check now, if I refresh this page now, this part that they wrote you can claim again in, it's going to decrease, like the seconds is going to reduce. So let's refresh the page. Automatically you see they said you can claim again in 8 seconds, 854 seconds, you get. So right now you can still refresh again. Refresh again, you see it's 839, so it is decreasing. So in the next 15 minutes you can actually come back here and do this. So this website is actually paying, and it is paying a whole lot of guys. Like, I will not lie to you guys, you have to take action on this. And if you're new to my channel, this is kind of videos I upload, and it is very awesome, and it is paying, and they are legit. I don't drop trash on my channel. So if you're a newcomer here, do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I upload awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to like and upload and take action on it. So peace out guys, see you in my next video. Love you all, bye.